सदाशिवसमारम्भा शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page number 82, verse number 36. हृत्प्राप्य सद्धाम निजस्वरूपे स्वभावसिद्धेनुपलभ्य निष्ठाम् मायाविलासः सदसत्स्वरूपम् विरूपनानैकमुखप्रवादाः. A Vedantic student has to negate the anatma, which is body-mind complex. Anatma means that which is unreal, which does not have any real existence, that is called anatma. It appears as though it is there. On enquiry, it vanishes. On enquiry, it loses its reality. Losing reality means before enquiry, is there any reality? No. Loses its reality means that the wrong notion I have entertained, that body is real, mind is real, that notion will be dissolved. I recognize that is wrong notion. When I recognize the rope as rope, snake will not lose its reality, because it is not there to lose the reality. Before I am recognizing the snake as rope, is there any snake? So, snake loses its reality means how to understand. Before rope knowledge there was snake. After rope knowledge, snake has got loses its reality. This expression is not totally right. But you have to understand in your mind, I gave reality to the snake. Now that snake is not there at all. It was not there, it is not there. Similarly, this anatma body-mind complex, which I was giving more importance to this as real, and its problems are also real. Now, after studying Saddarshanam or Upanishad, Gita, I recognize that anatma is not there at all. This is the first stage. Then the second stage, once I negate anatma, which is unreal, which is mithya, false, then what is my job? With a lot of struggle, I have negated this anatma, body-mind complex. My job is over. Why I have to negate this body-mind complex? Really speaking, what is my second job? At the second stage, I have to claim I am Atma. That's the second stage. World Mithyatmam is the first stage. Falsifying the whole universe, including body-mind complex. First stage. Then the second stage, I the negator, I am Atma Swarupam. In technical language, if you want to put Jagat Mithya, Brahma Satyam. Without making Jagat Mithya, falsifying the Jagat, you cannot say Aham Brahma. Aham Brahmasmi statement is not possible without Jagat Mithyatma. Jagat Mithyatma, where it takes place, outside or inside the mind? Your own mind, inside the mind, the cognitive change. Nothing will change. but only cognitive change. So Brahma Satyam means what? I, the consciousness, is real. Brahma Satyam means Brahman is real. Who is that Brahman? I, the consciousness, is Brahman, infinite principle, entity. I am that consciousness is real. எங்கேயோ பிரம்மன் சத்தியமா இருந்தா எனக்கு என்ன பிரயோஜனம்? If he is infinite, what is benefit for me? So that Brahman I am. So Brahma Satyam. Jagan mithya, Jagat mithya, world is unreal. இந்த ரெண்டுமே கிளியரா இருக்கணும் எப்பவுமே. So Jagan Mithyatma is the biggest job. Long process. How can I make whole Jagat Mithyana? If I say like that, you are Mithya. People will say, you are Mithya, you are unreal, go on. That's why don't tell others. This statement is only confined to this class. Even never tell to your family members also who are not coming to class. Therefore, here Ramana Bhagavan says, this Aham Brahmasmi, where is it available? Hrit Prapya. It is in your own mind, cognitive understanding here. Hrit means in your own Hridayam. What is there in Hridayam? Mind is there. In that mind, what is there? Vritti Jnanam is there. Aham Brahmasmi Vritti Jnanam. The thought is going on. I am consciousness. I am consciousness. That is Akhandakara Vritti is going on. Hrit Prapya. Having attained this, when it is available? I am, when it is available? Sada, all the time. Hrit Prapya. Prapya means having attained this, available this all the time. Sat Dhama. That Hridayam is the Dhama, abode. Sat is truth. Sat means what? Trikale api yat tishtati tat sat. I am available. I was available in the past. I am available now. I will be available in future also. I means which I? RMRC is not available. OC is available. OC, original consciousness, I am Sat Dhama. That is Sat. I, the consciousness principle, is Sat. Dhama means abode. What is the abode? Hridayam is the abode. And the Sat irukkiradhukku enna abode na? Dhama means place, abode. That means my Hridayam alone is the place. It is not there outside. It is there all pervading. It is there in my heart also. It is there in my heart also. Upalabdhisthanam. What a great advantage we have got. I am giving existence to this Sat Brahma inside. From the RC standpoint, you can talk now. Just to shift your role. From RC standpoint, RM standpoint, take temporary position. From body-mind complex, if I talk, suppose if from body-mind standpoint, if I talk, what I have to say? I, the body-mind complex, is the available place for Sat. See, manifesting. Now this hand is a thing which gives a manifestation of the light. The light is manifesting because of what? The hand is there, here hand is there. In between, can you experience the manifestation of the light? But you see the hand. What you are seeing really? You are seeing the hand and you are seeing the light also. That means hand can say, see, because of my presence, light is manifesting. Because of this body-mind complex, Atma ki upalabdhisthanam, Sattaka dhamam idu. Adada deho devalayah proktaha sajivaha. Who is that jiva Sat? Paramatma. Kevala Shivaha means Kevala Paramatma. Kevalamana Paramatma kadiyadu. Is none other than Paramatma. Upalabdhisthanam. Now tell me, this body, mind is wonderful or miserable? Wonderful, beautiful. So therefore you do alankara. Puriyarda? Upalabdhisthanam. Atma manifestation abode, manifestation place this is. Recognize that. Now shift yourself to OC. The OC consciousness is abiding in this body as though because of me, hrit prapya tat srishtva tadevanupravishat tadanupravishya. Having entered. Now once pot is created, space has entered in the pot. Space has not entered, as though entered. Space is already all-pervading. Once the pot has come, tat srishtva tadevanupravishat. Space has entered inside as though. Similarly, Atma has entered in the body as though, not entered. Hrit prapya saddhama. What is that? Nijaswarupam. Nijaswarupe. This is my Nijaswarupam, my own real nature. Evident all the time. I am evident to myself or not? Ketid children. I'll ask my wife, very dear to me. So she knows better than me what I am. Whether I am there or not. You never get this type of doubt. That is the Nijaswarupam. My own nature without any other external support, I claim myself I am. That is the Nijaswarupam. Nijaswarupam, my own nature. Swabhavam, it's my nature. Swabhavam means my nature. Siddhe. Siddhe means when it is available, this much, I am. Whenever I say I am consciousness, I am OC available. But not studying Saddarshanam, not studying Upanishad, not studying Gita. What is their experience? Anupalabhya. They not come to Kesari High School like you. So what they say? Atma, where is Atma? Where is Atman? Hey, you are the Atma. Who is asking? Is Atma. But what that person intention? He has taken himself as a body. He has taken himself as mind. Therefore, searching for Atma. So, Anupalabhya. Not getting this Nishtham, Anupalabhya Nishtham, without getting the evidence which is his original nature. Why people are not able to know this? Why they are not coming to Saddarshanam class, Swamini? People have doubt. No? Students sometimes ask, why many people won't come to Vedanta class? Maya Vilasaha. It is a Maya Vilasam. It is the play of Maya. Covered ignorance. Because of that ignorance, what they say? Atma is there. Sat. Atma is there. Some people, after listening some Purana, something, Atma is there inside. Atma is there somewhere. Atma is here. Sat, some people say it is there or here. That is called Sat. Atma Sat. You can say Atma is there or here, but I cannot say. What do you say? Atma Asat. Atma is not there. Asat means not there. It is unreal. It is unreal. Atma is unreal. Atma is not there. What is not there is unreal. How can I say Atma is there? One person say Atma is there or here. Sat. Another person say Atma is not there. Asat. Somebody says Atma is Sarupaha. Atma is having a form. Without form, Atma cannot be there. Sarupaha. Sarupaham rupena saha vartate iti sarupaha. Rupa means form. Rupena vartate. Rupa means a form, a structure. Murti. Atma is always with the form. Some people argue. Some people say virupaha. Atma can never have a form. It is virupa only. Therefore, what to do? You have to see something ghost. Ghost is not having a form. So Atma is like a ghost. Why? It is virupam. Nana Eka Mukha Pravadaha. All these are useless arguments. Nana Eka. Many arguments. They say Atmas are many. Another argument. Some people say there are many Atmas. Aalukku oru Atma. Many Atmas. Why struggle one Atma in every body? Let us have one Atma. Your Atma is with you. My Atma is with me. Elephant has got elephant Atma, big Atma. Ant has got a small Atma. So, Nana. No. How can Atmas are many? Atma can be only one. Ekaha. There are some people. Another group. There are all groups. There are groups, they have books and books. They have written, they have established also what? They are right. And they have brainwashed the people also. And there are followers for them. There are followers. Who are all Nastikas? Nasti iti vadaha Nastikah. The one who always says there is no God at all. No, there is God. Astikaha. Even Astikaha or Nastikaha. God irukar mele Vaikuntham irukar, Kailasam irukar. Even ஒரு பைத்தியம், அவர் ஒரு பைத்தியம். நான் சொல்லல, ரமண பகவான் சொல்ற. நானா ஏகான. இதெல்லாம் என்னென்ன? பிராட்லிங், பிரவாதாக. These are all prattlings. These people are all non-thinking people. They do not have thinking capacity. Just they blabber. They don't have knowledge at all. They are all ignorant people. Ignoramus. So what to do for them? All of them, ignorance-o-dectomy pannanum. We have to do so many operations they are doing in hospitals. In Vedanta class, what we do? Ignorance-o-dectomy. Have to operate. Remove ignorance. How can you remove? No operation table, nothing. Just listen. So therefore, that's why people, it's very difficult. சும்மா இருந்து சுகம் பெற சொன்னா, டு பி சைலண்ட் ஈஸி ஆர் டு பி நாய்ஸி இஸ் ஈஸி? டெல் மீ. டு பி சைலண்ட் இஸ் ஈஸி ஆர் டு பி நாய்ஸி இஸ் ஈஸி? சைலண்ட் இஸ் ஈஸி, பட் நோபடி இஸ் சைலண்ட். எல்லாரும் நாய்ஸி. Go on making noise. Like in yoga asanas, what we say, Shavasanam. Don't do anything, just lie down. Impossible, people, difficult. What is the difficult asana? Shavasana. Because you have to do nothing there. If you're doing something means easy, Swamini. Lying fully, simply is difficult. This is the problem. Hey, ஒன்னும் பண்ணாதே, சும்மா புரிஞ்சுக்கன்னா பண்ணணுமா? ஏதாவது பண்ணணும். ஆயாசம். அவங்களுக்கு ஆயாசம் தான் பிடிக்கும். என்ன பண்றது? Let them have ஆயாசம். So, Vedantic student, nothing, no work, no hard work at all. Just silently listening and grasping. Transformation comes inside. It's Shastra does its job over. How simple. In the simple irukkiradhu வேண்டான்னு விட்டுட்டு போறோம்னா மெச்சூர் பர்சனா இம்மெச்சூர் பர்சனா? என்ன சொல்றது? சர்வபூதஸ்தம் ஆத்மானம் சர்வபூதானி சாத்மனி. I am in all beings are in me, Lord Krishna said. That is what Lord Ramana Maharshi is saying now. When it is available here itself, why you are saying there, here, there, not there, so many Atmas? What is this prattling unnecessarily? Why can't you study properly, systematically? In systematically படிக்கிறதுக்குள்ள ஏதோ கொஞ்சம் படிச்சு அரைக்குறை படிச்சு எனக்கு எல்லாமே தெரியும்னு சொல்லிடுவா. அது பெரிய ப்ராப்ளம். Maximum people are like that only. And quoting so many shlokas. நீ என்னடா அப்பான்னா என்ன இது தமிழ்ல சும்மா நான் சொல்லல. What are you? You are talking about so many slokas, so many quotings and all you are doing. What you are? One Pandit, no? There was a Pandit. I heard somewhere. He knows everything. Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, all Vedas knows. They know chanting, they teach so many things. இதெல்லாம் நமக்கு எங்கே வரப்போறது சொல்லுவார். அப்படி சொல்லுவார். After listening everything, after studying everything, after teaching everything also, this is all, it takes time. Still we are in sadhaka state. See how difficult. Such a Pandit himself is saying like that. What to talk of ordinary people? How difficult. Owning up is the toughest task. You can study, you can teach, you can give lectures. But owning up is not that much easy. If you are not qualified, that's what he is going to say next shloka. See the 37th shloka. Siddhasya vitti satayeva siddhihi swapnopamana khalu siddhayonyaham स्वप्न प्रबुद्धस्य कथं नु सत्यः सति स्थितः किं पुनरेति मायाम्. Very, very important shloka. We have to listen carefully. That means what about other shlokas? Not carefully. Siddhasya vittihi. Vittihi means knowledge. Knowledge of what? Siddhasya. Siddhasya means what is already accomplished. What is already accomplished? Siddhasya. What is that already accomplished? Sataha. That Sat, consciousness principle, existent consciousness principle, Sataha, of that truth, one has to get the knowledge that truth is already accomplished. You need not accomplish. You need not accomplish. Appo next class ku varavendamma Swamini. Like that one person, he is wearing a small minor chain. And so many chains, one person and a lady, then so many chains they'll put. Lot of chains they are wearing, a small chain, minor chain has gone, turned back. And thotti paatha kaanu. Enna chain na. And after the function, she came back and searching. And she rushed back there again to ask, have I lost my chain here? I missed my one golden minor chain. Have I lost my chain here? And she go on searching. And that person, house person says, no, that chain is in your neck only. That chain is in your neck. Now tell me, running is required or not? Running to the house to find out the chain is necessary or not? Necessary. Because after going there only, she only said that the chain is in your neck only. On your neck it is. So running is necessary to know what? Running is not necessary. Running is necessary to know. Running is not necessary because before running also, I was having the chain on my neck alone. That mala is here. Why I have to run? And that time she was not knowing. After running only she come to know I need not run. But running already ayasam. Siddhaha swarna abharanam asiddhavat gnatva dhavati sa mahila. That woman run for that chain because not knowing that is on her own body. Similarly, in spite of availability of that sadvastu here all the time, since we do not know, we have to run to Saddarshanam class. Siddhavastu, a beautiful way of expression. Sadhana, sadhya, siddha. Sadhana means a means, a methodology, a means to attain something, sadhyam, a goal. Whatever means I use to accomplish something is called sadhyam. சாதிச்சிட்டான்னு சொல்றோம் இல்லையா தமிழ்ல, அவன் நல்லா சாதிச்சிட்டான், சாத்தியம் வந்தாச்சுன்னு. எப்படின்னா நல்ல சாதனம் உபயோகப்படுத்திட்டான். He used the sadhanam properly, he attained that sadhyam. Just you travel by Tamil Nadu Express to go to Delhi. What is sadhanam? What is sadhyam? Tell me here. Delhi is sadhyam, destination. Train is sadhanam, a means to reach a goal, accomplish something. Atma is like that, to use some means and to attain. People are thinking Atma is something to attain, it's sadhya vastu. Therefore, let me use some sadhanas. Enna sadhana pannanum sollungo? Edukana? I want to attain Atma, sadhyam. Ramana Bhagavan says, Hey, it is not sadhyam to use sadhanam. It is not a sadhya vastu to be attained. It is not a sadhya vastu somewhere else. It is a siddha vastu. You are already that. Siddha vastu kaha enna pannanon. One person is standing, number 15. Like Pujya Swamiji give an example beautifully. His own personal experience. Once Swamiji was traveling by flight, and one person sitting near, next to Swamiji. He is very fat person, it seems. He is almost sitting on the thigh of the Swamiji. And he is asking, see, I want to go to, where are you going now? He said, I am going to Rishikesh. That person asked, do you know that Swamiji? Do you know that Swamiji? Can you give me the proper address? He is asking, whom? Swamiji. Okay, I know that person. I will give the address. He gave address also. Just for fun, like 2 minutes. I know him, that Swamiji. Now tell me, Swamiji is sadhya vastu or siddha vastu? In front of Swamiji is sitting and asking for Swamiji. Because, why he is asking? He do not know that he is Dayananda Swamiji. And he is asking only Dayananda Swamiji, do you know Dayananda Swamiji? I want to go there, Rishikesh. I want to see that Swamiji. Even though he is seeing Swamiji, what is his desire? Swamiji sadhya vastu is not here, he is thinking. Then Swamiji said, I am that Dayananda. I am that Dayananda Saraswati. Oh, you are siddha vastu. Adi madri. Nalla irukku joke. Joke illa nijama nadandadha incident. Swamiji gives often this example when he wants to bring this. Atma, you need not search for anywhere, you need not go, you need not attain, you need not accomplish, you need not work hard, anything. You are that. Onnu panna vendappa, nee already you are a siddham vastu. Atma, I am siddha vastu already. Ipo sadhanam sadhyam tevaya. Saddarshanam book tevaya. படிக்கிறது தேவையான தேவைதான். ஏன்னா அது புரிஞ்சுக்கணும். தேவை இல்லைன்னு புரிஞ்சுக்கிறதுக்காக தேவை. I need not struggle for this Atma anywhere to understand. I have to study Saddarshan. I have to go to class. How long? Until I recognize I am a siddha vastu. Already accomplished. நம்ம என்ன நினைக்கிறோம்? I am சொன்ன உடனே useless is body mind complex தான் வந்துடும் மனசுக்கு. டக்குன்னு வந்து I am சொன்ன உடனே I am consciousness. And when Swamini is talking about Atma, I am only that Atma. எத்தனை பேருக்கு வருது மனசுக்குள்ள? So I have to listen from that standpoint. When Swamini is talking, I am Chit Swarupam, Sat Swarupam. ஓஹோ, அப்ப எனக்குள்ள சத்து சித்து இருக்கு. Suppose I listen from the standpoint of the body mind complex, this cannot enter with subject. I have to listen from the OC standpoint. Swamini is talking Shuddha Buddha Mukta Swarupaha. நான் பத்தி தான் என்ன பத்தி தான் பேசுறாங்க சுவாமினி. அப்படி இருக்கணும். அப்படி இருந்தா ப்ளூமிங் ஃபேஸஸ் லைக் யூ. என்ன ப்ளூமிங் புரியல என்ன? அப்படி சீரியஸாக இருக்கிறது கூட எனக்கு வரமாட்டேங்கிறது. I cannot be serious also. Therefore, vitti siddhasya sataha eva siddhi. This is only siddhi, appa. This is called, what do you talk, mystic powers? People are talking about siddhis, mystic powers. Ramana Bhagavan says real siddhi is knowing that siddha vastu as you are. This is called real siddhi. எதுக்காக சித்திஸ்க்காக ஓடின்னு இருக்க? இங்க சித்த வஸ்து வச்சுட்டு இதுதானே பெரிய சித்தி அடையிறது. அவர் பெரிய சித்தர் சுவாமினி, அவர் பெரிய சித்தரா? நீ என்னன்னா யூ ஆர் ஆல்ரெடி சித்தா. வை யூ ஆர் ரன்னிங் ஆஃப்டர் சித்திஸ்? நான் சொல்லல, நான் சொன்ன யூ டோன்ட் லிசன். ரமண பகவான் சே சித்திஹி சதஹா சித்தஸ்ய சதஹா வித்திஹி ஏவ சித்திஹீனா. சித்தஸ்ய சதஹான, that which is already accomplished, already available, nature, consciousness, that knowledge alone is called real power, real siddhi. There is no other siddhi, real siddhi than this. Then whatever other siddhis, that is another samsara, he is going to say. Swapna upamanaha khalu siddhayaha anyaha. What about all other siddhis, Swamini? You ask Ramana Maharshi. What about other siddhis, Ramana Bhagavan? Suppose you ask. Anyaha siddhayaha. All other siddhis. What are other siddhis? Anima, Laghima, Mahima, Prapti, Prakamya. Ella list irka. Ashta siddhayaha. Ashta siddhis. 8 siddhis are there. What are those? Or list kudukre. Echkongo. People think Gnani means edha siddhi irkano. இந்த மேக்சிமம் பீப்புள் வைடு மிஸ்கன்செப்ஷன் என்ன, அவருக்கு ஏதாவது சித்தி இருக்கணும், வாக்காவது சொல்லணும், வாக்ஜரி சப்த வைகரி என்ன, ஏதாவது நல்லா பேசணும், வாக்கு சொல்லணும், என்னோட ஃபியூச்சர் சொல்லணும், இல்லைன்னா பாஸ்ட் சொல்லணும். ஒன்றும் சொல்லாமலே எதுக்கு சும்மா அவர் கேட்டு போகிறேன், நமக்கு என்ன பெனிஃபிட்டு? பீப்புள், திஸ் இஸ் த வைடு மிஸ்கன்செப்ஷன். A wise person means he must have some siddhis. Who said? He need not have any siddhi at all. It is like what he says, siddhayaha anyaha siddhayaha, other siddhis are swapna upamanaha. They are like, they are equal to dream. Your dream is real or unreal? Unreal. Then what about siddhis? You never count your dream. Then how you are counting the siddhis? Swapna upamaha, he says, all are nothing but dream. It's like a dream. Therefore, never carry away by dream siddhis. Swamini. சரி, எனக்கு தலை ஆட்டிட்டு வா, வெளியில் போய் ஓடுறது அங்கே சித்திஸ் ஏதாவது இருக்கா? Tomorrow, Swami Satyavartananda is giving some vibhuti. You see the queue. Whole Pandi Bazaar will stand in the queue. Thank God. அந்த மாதிரி இல்லை, வேண்டாம் நமக்கு. So, now what are the siddhis? Anima, number 1. Anima means capacity to become subtle, like an atom. Capacity, anima. Capacity to become very small, like an atom. This is called anima. Number 2, mahima. Capacity to become big. Mahima. Number 3, laghima. Capacity to become light in spite of weight size. Weight size is same, but he become light. Very, very light. Laghima. Then 4th one is garima. Capacity to remain the same size, but becoming garima means heavy. Same size, same height, but becoming heavy. That is called garima. Size remaining the same, becoming heavy. Then 5th one is prapti. The capacity to reach at any place at will. Prapti. If you want to go to Rishikesh, no ticket. Without ticket you can travel. எவ்வளோ நல்லா இருக்கும் சுவாமினி. பணமே செலவாகாது, கேம்ப் வச்சிட்டப்படலாம் ஃப்ரீயாக வந்துடுறேன். So, getting capacity to reach some place at will, whatever place you want to. Then prakamyam, 6th one. Getting anything just by mere will. Getting anything. Prakamya means whatever he wants or she wants, she will get. Just by will. Prakamya. Getting by mere will. Getting anything by mere will. Then ishitvam. Ishitvam, 7th one. Being an Ishvara, overlordship. That Ishvara's glory he gets. All powers. Ishitvam means overlordship. Then Vashitvam. The capacity to control things. Capacity to control things. Vasham பண்றதுன்னு சொல்றாரு. இதெல்லாம் பிளாக் மேஜிக். பீப்புள் ஆர் ஆல் டாக்கிங். வஷம் பண்ணிட்டார் சுவாமி அவங்க. பிளாக் மேஜிக் ஏதோ பண்ணிட்டானா. வஷித்வம். Capacity to control other person's mind or other person's thought. In the sloka form, if you want to write, Anima mahima chaiva laghima mahima tatha. Laghima garima. Anima mahima chaiva laghima garima tatha. Prapti prakamya ishitvam Vashitvam cha ashta siddhayah. Who says? Patanjali. In Ashtanga Yoga, he says, Sarva siddhayaha yoga antarayaha. Antarayaha siddhayaha. All these 8 siddhis are obstacles for a spiritual seeker. Ani sollitar. Ella explain panni. All are biggest obstacles for a spiritual seeker. Therefore, never talk about the siddhis if anybody is having also. Never describe them. If I know their limitation, now see the next point. There are 4 types of possibles. No knowledge, no mystic powers. There are people, they don't have self-knowledge, they don't have mystic powers. One cadre. Second cadre, no knowledge with mystic powers. They have mystic powers, but they don't have self-knowledge. They do not know their Atma Swarupam, but they have mystic powers. No knowledge with mystic powers. Second type of people. Then third, with knowledge, no mystic powers. There is self-knowledge, Atma Gnanam, but no mystic powers. Then the fourth, final one is, there is knowledge, there is mystic power. There are powers. With knowledge, with powers. With knowledge, without powers. No knowledge, with powers. No knowledge, no power. போதுமா? அப்படியே கீழிருந்து மேலே, மேலிருந்து கீழே வந்தால் என்ன? There is no connection between knowledge and siddhis. Understand? Just only cognitive change. Then there are siddhis because of from my money. This is the time for has context. People are all very, very happy to listen about siddhis. No? Money. For money, it's a kaila. Money is a precious stone. You will get some siddhis. Some money. Precious stone, if you have, you are supposed to get some powers. Number 1. When the 8 siddhis over, now there are other possibilities. These are all come by Ashtanga Yoga, some powers will come. This money, if you have precious stone, suppose you have any mantra. If you know mantra, if you chant that mantra, you will get some powers. Mantra, if you chant number of times, you are supposed to get some powers. That's why people chant lakhs of times and get some power. Reading your thought. உனக்கு என்ன நடந்தது இதெல்லாம் சொல்லுவான். By doing some mantra. And number 3 is aushadham. Certain types of herbs, not verbs, herbs. Aushadhis. Certain types of herbs, if you hold on, you can cure diseases. Aushadhi. Adi moolama some siddhi powers will come. Because that Aushadhi has got such a power. Then yoga. Concentrating on that Kundalini chakras. If you concentrate and meditate upon chakras, you will get some powers. Levitation, walking on the water, flying, jumping. Then last one is Purva Janma Punyam irundhalu kuda certain powers varlam. Alaga irukku. Now precautions. Point number 1 to be noted for Vedantic seekers. What is the point number 1 to be noted? Mystic powers accepted in Shastra. We accept mystic powers. We never say they are bluff. They are real. They are real, accepted in the Shastra. Point number 1. The second point to be noted is, lot of siddhis are possible without an iota of self-knowledge. Lot of siddhis are possible to get without an iota of self-knowledge. In that itself, you have to write another point. In the second point, in the second point. Self-knowledge is possible without any single mystic power. Self-knowledge is possible without any single mystic power. What is the second point? Second point is that if a lot of siddhis are possible without self-knowledge, self-knowledge is possible without any mystic power. Now, third point to be noted is, all siddhis come under karma upasana phalam. Some karma you have to do, or some upasana you have to do. Some action is involved. They are the results of karma or action or upasana or some meditation, some dhyanam, some samadhi, some abhyasa. Karma, upasana, phalam. Therefore, they all fall within Maya samsara. They all fall within Maya samsara. The fourth point, very important point, Ramana Maharshi highlights here. If a person do not understand the limitation of siddhis, he will be destroyed by his siddhis. If he do not know the limitations of siddhis, the person who is having siddhis, suppose, he do not know the limitations of siddhis, that person will be destroyed by the same siddhis spiritually. Spiritually he will be destroyed. Means spiritual upliftment will not be there if you do not know the limitations of siddhis. That's why many siddhas are spiritually fallen people. Many, but very rare people after siddhis they get jnanam. Once the siddhis comes, no, they are carried away by that and they fall. If they do not know the limitation. Ramakrishna Paramahamsa knows the limitations of siddhis. Shankaracharya knows the limitations of siddhis. Ramana Bhagavan knows the limitations of siddhi. You know what is the greatness of Shankaracharya? If you ask anybody, what they say? Nobody says Shankaracharya has written so many commentaries. He is the one who is the teacher of self-knowledge. Nobody says. What they say, you know? Shankaracharya turned the river towards his mother where she is staying. And the Purna Nadi is there. So for his mother's sake, he turned the direction of the Purna Nadi. This is the siddhi of Shankaracharya. Everybody knows. And what he did next? And Shankaracharya, one lady is very poor, she wants money, wealth. He sang Kanakadhara Stotram and the Nellikkai Madri golden coins fallen. Another siddhi. People knows. And what next? Parakaya Pravesham. He entered another body and he lived some time. He came out. Parakaya Pravesham. These are the great glory siddhis of Shankaracharya. People know. What Shankaracharya taught, nobody knows. If you ask anybody, Ramana Maharshi underwent anesthesia operation. Without anesthesia, underwent a surgery. What he taught? People know Ramana Maharshi this much. You ask anyone, what do you know about Ramana Maharshi? I know about Ramana Maharshi. He has got cancer. He has got a wound. He underwent an operation without surgery. That is a great siddhi. Hey, Ramana Maharshi taught highest philosophy. Nobody knows. That means people are enamored by siddhis. All are immature people. Whoever run after siddhis, they are immature people, non-thinking people. Who says? Ramana Bhagavan says. If I say you don't listen, Ramana Bhagavan says means, see the third line, say, Swapnaha prabuddhasya katham na satyaha. Once a person wake up from the dream, prabuddhaha means wake up from the dream, how much time it takes a person, my dream is unreal, and how much time it will take? What he has to do, tell me? He has to wake up. The waker knows the dream is unreal. Katham na satyaha. Where is the truth of this dream? Where is the reality? Similarly, once you get the self-knowledge, how can you give importance to this siddhis? How can you? There are people to just boost up a religion, God, fear, bhakti. There are people are showing siddhis. We don't want to criticize them. Let them show, let them people run. Let them immature people, non-thinking people run there. You want to join in that group, you also run. You run by auto, you run by car, or nothing wrong in that, go and run to create some boost up. But a thinking person never run. A mature person, informed person never run. A mature person never talk about those siddhis. If you want to talk, talk. Sati sthitaha kim punareti mayam. Sati sthitaha. Once you recognize this Sat Brahman, you abide in this Siddha Vastu Sat Brahma Sthitaha Kim Punaha Yeti Mayam. Will he go after this for siddhis? Will he go after this siddhis? You want to give importance to siddhis? Just as a person who wake up from the dream never talk about the dream. It is a real, see, my dream, anna. Why mood? And பெரிய பேசுறேன் ரொம்ப பொய் தானே எல்லாமே. அதுதான் for a thinking person, mature person who study Shastra, if anybody talks about siddhis, they are like babies, no? Innocent. Next shloka. It's like a dream, no? Never count. A Vedantic student, real mumukshu, real moksharthi never count siddhis. If you want to count and come to class also, doesn't matter. Swami, I count siddhis, I give value to siddhis, therefore I stop the class? Don't stop, please. Come to class. Okay. You are ready to renounce Ramana Maharshi and Swamini, everybody. Not you, some people. Soham vichare vapuratma bhave. Sahayakari paramarganasya. Swatmaikya siddhau sapunarnirarthaha. Maikya siddhau sapunarnirarthaha. Yatha naratva pramitirnirasya. Pramitirnarasya, correct. Having seen this much elaborately about siddhis, Ramana Bhagavan is so angry, no? Angry means why people won't use their intelligence. He wants to make the people to use their intelligence. If anybody talks about siddhis also, don't stand there. If you listen also, just nod your head, that's all. You need not criticize, you need not encourage, you need not say, comment upon anything. You don't comment at all. For them it is real. For a Vedantic seeker, he is neutral. He is not encouraging them, he is not discounting them, he is not criticizing them, just neutral. வெளியில் போய் சொல்லாதுங்க. சுவாமினி ஏன் வெளியில் சொல்லக்கூடாதுன்னு சொல்லக்கூடாது, அவ்வளோதான். ஏன்னா நீங்கள் யோசிச்சு பாருங்க. சோஹம் விசாரா சஹா அகம், தட் பரமாத்மா சஹா அகம் ஐ ஆம். Soham. So in the 32, 36, 38, these shlokas, Mahavakya Vichara. Ramana Bhagavan deals Mahavakya Vichara. Soham Vichare Vapuratma Bhave. Vapuhu means Shariram. Vapuhu is Atma Bhava. I am the body. This Vapuhu Atma iti bhavaha, Vapuratma bhavaha. As long as you have the notion that I, the body, is Atma, this body is real. You don't say outside, I am the body, Atma, you don't say. But what you do, you give importance to this body, you give reality to the mind, you give reality to all the problems come out of this body-mind complex. As long as you are giving reality to this body-mind complex, this is called Vapuratma Bhava. Body is Atma, mind is Atma iti Bhava. As long as you are having that, Soham Vicharaha Kartavyaha. You have to continue your enquiry. Vicharaha means enquiry, analysis. What inquiry you have to do? Sahaham, Sahaham, Soham, 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 Soham. You have to say, Tiripi Soham, I don't know. Soham. Soham, that Atma, I am, that Atma, I am. You have to continuously say. Sahayakari Paramarganasya. It is a Sahayakari. What? This enquiry, Saha Aham Brahma Asmi, Saha Aham. This enquiry is Marganam, means this Marganam means this path, this enquiry is useful. Sahakari means helper, useful, purposeful. Swatmaikya siddhau. Once you accomplish, siddhau means prapte sati. Once you accomplish Now I am Paramatma. That's all, no doubt. Siddhe. Swatma means Swa means Jivatma. Atma means Paramatma. Jivatma aham Paramatma. Once it is, you have attained and means got the jnanam completely. Na saha punaha anartha. That enquiry, saha aham, that practice is nirarthaha, no use, purposeless. Just as he gives example, yatha narasya pramitihi narasya. For a human being, you need not say you are a human being, you are a human being. Solanuma, narasya, for a human being, naratvam, humanhood, manhood. For a man, you need not say you are a man. Man, purinjandukku appuram, naratvam, if you understand, narasya, that narasya of that person, manhood, you need not talk about that. Because it is fact for him. I am a human being is fact or not? You have to think all the time, I am a human being. If doubt irundadhu practice pannanum. Avanukku doubt irukka, therefore soham pannu. புரிஞ்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் ஜபம் பண்ணணுமா, மெடிடேஷன் பண்ணணுமா? வேண்டவே வேண்டாம். More in the next class. Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.